Well, I first embarked on law in 1976 when I went off to study Scots Law and obtained a degree, and I practiced law from 1980 till 2000. I was also fortunate to be Scottish Justice Secretary from 2007 to 2014. I have to say, jigsaw identification didn't really exist as a term when I was studying Scots law between 1976 and 1980 in Edinburgh. It's something that's come in, I suppose, historically. You could say it could be argued by how it was brought about, but it's something I think perhaps reflective more of the media. But I have to say, before Craig's trial, I'd never heard it used. It's a phrase that seems to have just come into the lexicon and parlance. But Craig's trial is rather unusual. The whole background of it, the law that is being cited as what he has transgressed, having been a government minister at the time, it was brought in not for the purpose of addressing the likes of Craig, but addressing, other circumstances entirely different from this. So what we have seen and what Craig has challenged is a situation where those who are meant to be fair, impartial, and representing a broader society are crossing lines into representing the government, and that's something that I've challenged. And secondly, legislation that was used to try and protect those who live in fear or witnesses or whatever is being abused in scenarios that it was never anticipated it would be used in. So the whole circumstances seem to me to be rather tawdry. They diminish the office of the Crown Office in Scotland that is fundamental to democracy. They have tarnished the reputation, and indeed, as I say, I think Scots law that I've always been proud to be part of, and for its distinctiveness from south of the border. I've never avoided the fact that there's things that have to change, and I've campaigned for them, but I was proud of it. I have to say, I am staggered at what has happened. Changes there must be.